So this is not going to help us now, but when we go to reassemble this in a later video, this is what stuff we're going to need to know. So I've got a pair of calipers. Nothing fancy, just some Amazon specials here. And so we're going to measure this crush sleeve for the Pinion. And this is going to give us an idea kind of where we want to be. So 43, 44. Call it 44. And then for this little spacer, now this is what's really going to be important. We want to know the thickness of this dude. So I think the only problem I have here is this thing doesn't go to like 3 decimal places, right? Like is it 0.022? So we may need, let's see, maybe millimeters will be more accurate. Luckily Ford Performance, Ford FRPP, they do have like a full, installation, like 31 pages long. I was looking at it today. So everything's in millimeters and inches too. So maybe, 0.7 millimeters is good enough. I want to say 0.7 mil, I think is about 28 thousandths. So this is definitely a little bit more accurate than 0.2 or 2 thousandths that it's showing. Or not 2 thousandths, but 20 thousandths, but we know it's 20 something thousandths. So yeah, it looks to me if I kind of push hard, it's about 0.7 mil, so 28 thousandths thickness. So this is where we want to start when we set up our new Pinion. And then we're not going to be using a crush sleeve when we go to rebuild this. We're going to actually have a crush sleeve eliminator, which is basically just, instead of having this where it crushes, you just select this size of spacer basically, and you just put that in there. And then that should give you the right drag and everything we need.